Hello viewers, let's activate or deactivate the family content filter in Google and YouTube. So first open Google and then click on your picture. Now click SafeSearch and these three options are available. So if you tick mark and off, now the safe search has been turned off. You can also opt for blur, the mid option. However, the default option of Google is filtered. And I also keep the default option of safe search. Now let's see the same filter function in YouTube. Open YouTube and then click on your picture. Now click this gear-like sign. Click on General. And you will see a button restricted mode. So if this button is turned on, restricted mode is activated. In case if it's turned off, so restricted mode is off. Remember, this setting would be limited to this device only. Thanks for watching.